Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Lincoln Town Car, 1998 to 2002? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Lincoln Town Car, 1998 to 2000, contains high amperage fuses and relays that power key systems like the ABS, fuel pump, ignition, and cooling fan. It serves as a central power distribution point directly connected to the battery, ensuring efficient operation of essential engine and safety components. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2001 and 2002 Lincoln Town Car manages high current fuses and relays for systems like the fuel pump, ABS, ignition, and cooling fans. It acts as a central power hub, distributing electricity from the battery to critical engine and safety components. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Lincoln Town Car, 1998 to 2000, is located below the dashboard and protects interior electrical systems. It controls circuits for the radio, power windows, interior lights, climate control, and other cabin features. This fuse box ensures safe operation and allows easy access for replacing blown fuses inside the vehicle. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2001 and 2002 Lincoln Town Car is located under the dashboard on the driver's side. It manages fuses for interior features such as power windows, door locks, radio, interior lighting, and the climate control system.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement. while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.